Alrighty guys, welcome back to yet another video. It's been a while since I posted a video. I apologize for that. I've been incredibly busy with work and I had to get the truck into the shop and I wasn't able to do it for a while and just till recently. So I have not been able to get out truck camping at all, and I got the truck in the shop. It's all ready to go, and today we're doing something very different, but I'm very excited about. I just recently picked up this tent. It is called a hot tent. What makes these very unique is that they're specifically designed to be used in the wintertime, and you can put a wood stove in them. They have a little stove jack built into it, and I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour and a rundown. If you guys enjoy this video, I would love to do like a kind of a setup and whole tour of it all, but it was late. I just got out of work late, didn't have a lot of daylight, no time to show all that, so I set this up a few days ago, got everything ready. And the reason why I picked tonight is we're estimated to get anywhere from like 20 to 40 inches of snow in the next day or two. And what's crazy is it's about 30 degrees Fahrenheit right now, but it's going to drop down to about single digits, like 5 degrees by the morning. Like, there's a major cold front blowing in, and we're supposed to get gusts up to 50-mile-per-hour winds. So I'm not even sure if this tent can handle this, but it's going to be a first good test and first overnight. Yeah, gotta get a fire going, get it warming up in here. First time ever doing this. It's switching things up a little bit in the channel. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so here's the setup in the canvas hot tent. You can see I got the wood stove right here. I bought this pretty recently. I'll go into all the details of all the different gear and stuff in a future video. But you can see there's a lot of wind blowing. Got the stovepipe. There's the stove jack in the tent. You can see I got a bunch of snow already blowing in. And I got a bunch of gear in here. I got my hatchet, pile of wood, a light, boots, my tripod and camera. And here's the inside. Got a little viewing panel right there, and then some other different gear right here. Here's where I'm going to be sleeping tonight. I've got a weighted blanket, a 20-degree rated sleeping bag, a pillow, and an air mattress. Got a cot. So I'm going to be taking a number of measures to make sure I am comfortably warm tonight, but we're going to see how everything works in this tent. This tent is about 10 foot wide, and up to there I can actually stand up. It's about 6.5 feet. You can see I also got this little oil lamp right here. I've been struggling to get it going. I think it's just about out of oil or something. So I'm gonna have to rely on my phone, but I'm gonna get the fire started. Fire is really going now. It's good. It's hard to get a fire going in these conditions. So get this thing going. Hopefully the heat will get cranking in here. It's very cold in here. Alrighty guys, so I'm settled in for the night. It's getting pretty late. Got the fire still going really well. And here's the situation. I'm going to be using probably some hand warmers, be stuffing a bunch here, because it is going to be getting into single digits, and that is definitely not temperatures to mess around with. Pretty intense with the amount of wind and gusts of wind, but this thing feels pretty dang sturdy. A sleeping bag, the weighted blanket. That blanket weighs 20 pounds. I used it with me when I was truck camping in the UP, and it worked very, very well in the cold temperatures. And so I'm hoping that layering up, having the sleeping bag and weighted blanket keeps me warm through the night. And then I think I'm going to set an alarm for every 2 hours. I'm going to have to stoke the fire because I don't want the fire to go out. And I'm a little bit nervous I'm going to run out of wood. I didn't bring a ton out with me tonight. Other than that, I think I'm going to get to bed, guys. Catch you guys hopefully in the morning. Everything goes smoothly. Good night. Alright guys, just woke up. I just checked the temperature on the weather app. 5 degrees with negative 20 wind chill. Gusts of up to 50 miles per hour. And it was cozy, just kind of like listening to the wind, ripping the trees all night long. But as far as sleep goes, I didn't get a whole lot of sleep. Just had to, it was pretty dang cold though. The little hand warmers, these things definitely saved me. Having a couple of those in my socks and in my sleeping bag all night, that definitely saved me last night from being too cold. For I was setting an alarm every 2 hours to wake up to stoke the fire. I slept right through it towards the beginning of the morning. About 6 in the morning, the fire went totally out. So about 6 in the morning, it got really, really cold in here. And I woke up and then was just kind of on and off until about 8 o'clock. And I'm just going to hang out and, yeah, get up and get breakfast going. Totally frozen. That's what you get. It was just sitting right by me. That's how cold it was in here. It's 6 degrees outside. Alright, last of my wood. I just tested it outside. It is so much colder outside. It's ridiculous. Goodness. Pretty much the rest of that is frozen. Just chunks of ice in there. it's getting a bit later. I think I'm gonna start cleaning up and packing out and get out of here. I'm probably gonna take down the tent and get all the gear out later, just with the crazy conditions out today. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little bit of switch up of things. I really enjoyed it. Not a lot of sleep, but it's just a great way to, after a lot of long weeks of work, grinding with hardly any days off the last like 2 months really, ever since the UP trip. It's just so nice just to get away, and it's just something like this. You just feel like you're like in a little Mongolian yurt in just the remote tundra or Arctic tundra, and it just makes you feel like you're getting away, and it's a good way just to reset the brain and relax a little bit, even with crazy gusts of wind. Making it a little bit stressful, but it's very cozy in here. I definitely really enjoy it. I think I'm definitely going to start doing this a lot more in the wintertime. But due to the crazy weather and the very dangerous road conditions right now, I am just doing this on the back of my property, my house. No remote or anything, but it's still good. It was still a very good test run. If you guys enjoy this, I'd love to do a longer video showing the whole setup process, all the gear, more in depth, and take the more time when I have actually like a day off and go up north, way up north, and do it somewhere in the remote woods. That'd definitely add a whole nother layer to it. It's a lot of work. Everything's a lot of work in the winter time, but yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. Tons more videos, outdoor, hopefully truck camping videos, some more hot tent camping videos. Hoping to get out and do some ice fishing soon. So tons more content to come. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.